Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mark with M2M Detail. In this video today, we're going to be doing paint protection film on these headlights. It's the 2020 Toyota Highlander. We're going to be doing bulk install. We have a bunch of scraps around the shop, so we're going to use the scraps and we're just going to wrap them around and then we're hand cut around the edges at the end of it. So let's get into the video. For a slip solution, we're using Johnson baby shampoo, hot water for tack, and then a couple different squeegees, 3M, PPF Hornet, and the Geek Wrap hard card for the ending. All right guys, let's get straight into the video. All right guys, so first things first, you want to make sure it's nice and clean. So we're going to spray a little bit of Johnson baby shampoo on it. Give it a pink clean, and we just squeegee that top, make sure no dirt falls back in. And on these headlights guys, we're going to be mounting on this back corner right here, and then we'll push it to the front. Because the front's not completely flat, it got a little bit of a bubble right here, so it's going to be a lot easier just to do it from the back. Let's get all nice and drenched. There we go. Let's grab our PPF. Get started. Alright guys, so we're going to check fitment. So there it is. So we're going to have to really stretch it along that curve, which is not a big deal. See, we go right there. And then we'll pull that all the way through. So let's get this, we're going to get this backside tacked down real quick. Right there. Let's lock that in. Want to make sure you got everything locked, guys, all the way down. And that looks good. So let's check it. Nice and tight. So now we're going to work on this curve right here, guys. So we're going to pull it all the way through. So I like to get a nice little spray underneath. So we got that. I'm going to spray some hot water on the material. This is going to help relax the film, guys, believe it or not. So we do that, throw a little bit of tack in there, and let's pull it through. So once you got it kind of positioned, you're going to hit that with a nice little squeegee right there. There we go. Let's finish it up. Alright guys, so now we got a little bit of stuff going on right here. So we're gonna, I don't know if we're gonna trim it first, but we could trim it and push it down. That might be easier. Try this first. So it looks like the hot water is going to do the trick, so we will not be And guys, we will cut on this body line right here of the headlight. We're not going to tuck it underneath. Ain't no one got time for that today. So let's work on this top real quick. That's hot. So there we go. All right, guys. So we got this one pretty much done. Let's get this shit out. Try a different squeegee. And we'll try it again. Okay, so now we're able to cut underneath. So we cut right here, cut that line. Now guys, you want to go through, make sure you didn't miss anything. If you did, you need to get it out. Looks good. Let's go on to the next one. All right guys, before we cut it, I'm gonna heat it up real quick. Make sure all these edges are nicely down. So when we cut it, we're not fighting the material moving on us. So we're just gonna throw a little bit of heat around the corners and stuff. Looks good. All right guys, so let's cut it real quick. And as always guys, when you're about to cut, don't have the blade too far out. Make sure you're on a brand new blade because you want it to be a nice cut. You're not about to try to cut this 2 or 3 times. Okay guys, after you get done cutting, first thing you want to do is get all those corners down. So I like to use a little bit of heat and the geek wrap. So I'm just going to slowly go through it. Okay guys, so that one looks great. Let's move on to the next one. Alright guys, so that's it for the PPF on the headlights. If you guys want to buy some templates or anything, you can check out our eBay store below or at our website. If you don't see the vehicle you're looking for, just give us an email. Most likely we do have a pre-cut for you guys. And I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. And as always, Mark out.